Hi, I'm Heather.
And I'm Rye.
And this is
Building
My
Our
Veggie
Veggie
Garden. Hi, everyone. I wanted to build a veggie garden, but I didn't have a lot of room, nor did I have a lot of money. So I thought, you know what? Let me just plant where I have the space. So we have Viburnum here in our yard, this whole big patch. And then underneath we had all this open space. So we thought, well, let's go ahead and plant here. And this has turned out to be a wonderful place to grow sweet potatoes. What else do we have growing around the yard?
We got sweet potatoes like we have here, which is still growing. We can still pick more. Over at my tree house, we have bananas. And over at the side yard is goji berries. And we have
Passion fruit tree.
a passion
Bush.
A passion fruit bush that it's gonna take a little more days to get that little thing up and ready to eat, baby.
This is a passion fruit bush / tree. It started off about this big, and it's going to go the entire length of this trellis. And passion fruit trees are big, gorgeous purple bloom. We have a couple of avocado trees we just planted this season. We have longevity spinach over here. And this is anti-inflammatory, and it is just a powerhouse for our immune system. So this, Mariah, this is ginger root. We love ginger root in our house, don't we? How do we eat ginger? We eat it raw sometimes.
And then we put it in a smoothie and it tastes like.
We put it in smoothies, and ginger root is a root too, just like a sweet potato. So it's growing underground, and we've got a little bud coming up, and I'm very excited about that. I've never grown ginger before. So this is our compost pile that we need to turn. And that's our brown waste.
It smells nasty.
Actually, no, it doesn't smell. Gosh, Mariah, I think we've run out of time. It's about time to go. I've had so much fun today. How about you?
Yeah.
Please like and subscribe. We are going to be planting and composting and discovering new fruits and vegetables, and we want to share it with you. Keep fighting the battle of the good veggies. Until next time, we'll see you later.
Bye-bye.